I go to school.
I go to school.
We go to the cinema.
We go to the cinema.
Do you often go for a walk?
Do you often go for a walk?
He says nothing.
He says nothing.
They say it is important.
They say it is important.
I see the bird.
I see the bird.
Do you see the moon?
Do you see the moon?
We see the movie.
We see the movie.
He knows the answer.
He knows the answer.
Do you know that?
Do you know that?
We know everything.
We know everything.
I give you the book.
I give you the book.
We give our best.
We give our best.
They like to give gifts.
They like to give gifts.
He takes the bus. He takes the bus. Do you take medication regularly?
Do you take medication regularly?
I take a book from the shelf.
I take a book from the shelf.
I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
Do you like to eat pizza?
Do you like to eat pizza?
They eat together.
They eat together.
He drinks water.
He drinks water.
Do you drink coffee?
Do you drink coffee?
We drink tea.
We drink tea.
She reads a book.
She reads a book.
We like to read.
We like to read.
I write a letter.
I write a letter.
Do you write an email?
Do you write an email?
They write stories.
They write stories.
He speaks English.
He speaks English.
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
We speak quietly.
We speak quietly.
She learns French.
She learns French.
Do you learn a lot?
Do you learn a lot?
We learn together.
We learn together.
He works in the office.
He works in the office.
They work hard.
They work hard.
I sleep 8 hours.
I sleep 8 hours.
Do you sleep well?
Do you sleep well?
She buys a dress.
She buys a dress.
Do you buy bread?
Do you buy bread?
We buy fruit.
We buy fruit.
He sells his car.
He sells his car.
They sell vegetables.
They sell vegetables.
I live in Berlin.
I live in Berlin.
Do you live alone?
Do you live alone?
They live happily.
They live happily.
He loves his family.
He loves his family.
Do you love me?
Do you love me?
We love nature.
We love nature.
She hates lies.
She hates lies.
Do you hate rain?
Do you hate rain?
They hate war.
They hate war.
I hear music.
I hear music.
Do you hear the noise?
Do you hear the noise?
We listen to the radio.
We listen to the radio.
The flower smells good.
The flower smells good.
We smell the scent.
We smell the scent.
I feel pain.
I feel pain.
Do you feel the cold?
Do you feel the cold?
They feel happy.
They feel happy.
Does the food taste good?
Does the food taste good?
The soup tastes salty.
The soup tastes salty.
He laughs loudly.
He laughs loudly.
Do you laugh at the joke?
Do you laugh at the joke?
They laugh together.
They laugh together.
The baby cries.
The baby cries.
They cry for joy.
They cry for joy.
The boy cries loudly.
The boy cries loudly.
I sit on the chair.
I sit on the chair.
We sit in the park.
We sit in the park.
He sits at the table.
He sits at the table.
He stands at the door.
He stands at the door.
Do you stand here?
Do you stand here?
They stand in line.
They stand in line.
The cat lies on the sofa.
The cat lies on the sofa.
She lies in bed.
She lies in bed.
The book lies on the table.
The book lies on the table.
He runs fast.
He runs fast.
Do you run every morning?
Do you run every morning?
We run in the park.
We run in the park.
She swims in the lake.
She swims in the lake.
Do you like to swim?
Do you like to swim?
We swim in the sea.
We swim in the sea.
The child jumps for joy.
The child jumps for joy.
Do you jump high?
Do you jump high?
They jump into the water.
They jump into the water.
The bird flies in the sky.
The bird flies in the sky.
We fly to the coast every summer.
We fly to the coast every summer.
Do you like to fly?
Do you like to fly?
I stay at home.
I stay at home.
We stay here.
We stay here.
I find the book.
I find the book.
Do you find the way?
Do you find the way?
We find it interesting.
We find it interesting.
He shows us the photos.
He shows us the photos.
They show their works.
They show their works.
The child plays with the ball.
The child plays with the ball.
Do you play guitar?
Do you play guitar?
We play soccer.
We play soccer.
She wins the game.
She wins the game.
Do you win often?
Do you win often?
We win the prize.
We win the prize.
He loses his glasses.
He loses his glasses.
Do you lose the game?
Do you lose the game?
They do not like to lose.
They do not like to lose.
I think of you.
I think of you.
We think positively.
We think positively.
We have a house.
We have a house.
She has many books. She has many books. I ask the teacher.
I ask the teacher.
Do you ask a question?
Do you ask a question?
They ask for directions.
They ask for directions.
He answers the email.
He answers the email.
We answer the question.
We answer the question.
She cooks dinner.
She cooks dinner.
Do you like to cook?
Do you like to cook?
We cook together.
We cook together.
He helps his friend.
He helps his friend.
We help the children.
We help the children.
She helps her mother.
She helps her mother.
He waits for the bus.
He waits for the bus.
We wait for you.
We wait for you.
He waits patiently.
He waits patiently.
She washes the car.
She washes the car.
Do you wash your hands?
Do you wash your hands?
We wash the laundry.
We wash the laundry.
He wears a hat.
He wears a hat.
They wear new clothes.
They wear new clothes.
I sing a song.
I sing a song.
We sing together.
We sing together.
She likes to dance.
She likes to dance.
They dance at the party.
They dance at the party.
He often forgets the keys.
He often forgets the keys.
Do you forget my name?
Do you forget my name?
We never forget.
We never forget.
I remember you. I remember you. Do you remember the time? Do you remember the time? He pays the bill. He pays the bill. I like coffee. I like coffee. Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? They like dogs. They like dogs. He wants an ice cream. He wants an ice cream. Do you want to come along? Do you want to come along? We want to go home. We want to go home. She believes in miracles. She believes in miracles. Do you believe me? Do you believe me?